Hello everyone, welcome to Mind Academy. So we are continuing our series on JAMIA MILIA ISLAMIA MPT exam preparation. This is the 2022 question paper that we are solving. Already we have solved around 40 questions. Now this is our fifth video on the same. So if you want to check our previous videos, just you can go to the link that we will share at the end and you can view them. So let's start. Question number 41. Frankel's exercise should be prescribed for option A, cerebral ataxia, option B, sensory ataxia, vestibular ataxia, option C, sensory ataxia, and option D, all of the above. So first we'll see what is Frankel's exercise. Frankel's exercise is defined as a series of gradual, progressive exercises designed to increase coordination. So, major work of Frankel's exercises to improve coordination. Okay. Aim of the exercise. Aim of the exercise is to establish control of movement and to be able to be confident in his ability to carry out those activities which are essential for independent activity of daily living. Means activity of daily living we have to make patients confident enough so that they are able to do it. Indications: cerebral ataxia, tempus torticollis, stroke, multiple sclerosis, Wilson's disease, cerebral palsy, Parkinson's disease, and other neurological disorder. Factors affecting the exercise: deformity, malposture, pain, asymmetry, mental and psychological stress, overweight. And the main principles that are followed are concentration or attention, precision, and 3, repetition. So the answer will be answer A. Okay, that is cerebral ataxia. So Frankel's exercise should be prescribed for cerebral ataxia. We'll move to our next question. That is question number 42. Heart rate increases in a dash fashion with energy expenditure. Option A, linear. Option B, exponential. Option C, inverse. And option D, fractional. So as you can see in the graph, energy expenditure graph, it is the heart rate and it is the VO2. Okay, and you can see the diagram. It always goes in the linear pattern. Heart rate and energy expenditure were highly correlated and linear regardless of age or sex. Okay, as you can see in the diagram. See the blue line, it's for a woman, okay, who is less than 65. Yellow line is for men less than 65. Then the red line is for women greater than equal to 65 and men green for greater than equal to 65. So as you can see, irrespective of age and sex, the expenditure, heart rate and energy expenditure is in a linear fashion. So answer will be A, that is linear. Heart rate increases in a linear fashion with energy expenditure. So we'll move to our next question. Question number 43. Cardiorespiratory endurance is also known as option A, flexibility, option B, aerobic fitness, option C, muscular endurance, and option D, none of the above. So we'll see definition of each of the options that is given. Flexibility. Flexibility is the ability to rotate single joint or a series of joints smoothly and easily through an unrestricted and pain-free range of motion. Okay, this is flexibility. Aerobic fitness. It is also known as cardiorespiratory fitness or cardiorespiratory endurance. It is the augmentation of energy utilization of large muscles by means of a repetitive dynamic motor exercise program, example walking, cycling, swimming. And then we have muscle endurance. It is also called as local fitness or local endurance, and it is the ability of a muscle to contract repeatedly against an external load, generate sustain tension, and resist fatigue over an extended period of time. Okay, so as per the definition, answer will be aerobic fitness, which is also known as cardiorespiratory fitness or cardiorespiratory endurance. So cardiorespiratory endurance is also known as aerobic fitness. Fine. So let's move to our next question. That is question number 44. A nutritional product that improves fitness and performance is called option A is supplement, option B is gelatin, option C amino acid, and option D ergogenic acid. So we'll see about each option. Like supplement. Not every supplements are used for improving physical fitness and performance. Okay, so supplement is cancelled. Next is gelatin. It is mainly used to make cosmetics coating of capsules, but it also has lysine, which helps in strengthen the bone and also prevent bone loss. So used as a supplement in osteopenia. Okay, it is used as supplement in osteopenia, but only gelatin cannot help in improving fitness and performance. Then we have amino acid, which is very important supplement in bodybuilding, but only their presence won't help. Only amino acid won't help. Okay. And the end we have ergogenic aid. That is, ergogenic aids are substances or devices that enhance energy production, use or recovery, and provide athlete with complete competitive advantage. So answer will be option D. So here is a table, different type of ergogenic aid, that is caffeine, creatine, sodium bicarbonate, beta-alanine, nitrate, vitamin D, bovine colostrum, HMB. Okay, and a dosage how much that can be given. So answer for this will be option D. That is, a nutritional product that improves fitness and performance is called ergogenic aid. Okay. So next, we'll move to our next question. That is question number 46. Optimal body fat for athlete. Option A 6 to 13%, option B 14 to 17%, option C 18 to 24%, and option D greater than 25%. Okay, so first we'll see what is a body fat percentage. Body fat percentage is the measurement of the total fat mass of the body and determines how much body weight is only made up of fat. Okay, it is like total fat mass we have to measure, that is body fat percentage. Men has a lower body fat to lean tissue ratio than the woman. Body fat can be measured by DXA, BOD, 3D body scanner, and skin fold calipers. Now, if you see the table, we'll find that general body fat percentage category, essential fat in women will be 10 to 13%, in men 2 to 5%, in athletes, women 14 to 20%, in men 16 to 13%. Then fitness classification in women will be 21 to 24, then 14 to 17 in men, then average will be 25 to 31 in women and 18 to 24 in men. In obese, 32% higher, and in men, 25% in higher. So as you can see in athletes, in adult male, it will be option A 6 to 13. So optimal body fat for athlete will be 6 to 13%. Okay, so we'll move to our next question. That is question number 47. Individuals increase the risk of developing coronary heart excess weight in the option A, buttock, option B, hip, option C, thigh, and option D, abdominal area. So individuals increases the risk of developing coronary heart, okay, when there is excess weight in which part of the following? So individual with excessive abdominal fat have a greater risk of heart disease. Okay, if the abdominal fat is more, then there is greater risk of heart disease and cancer than the individual with a similar body mass index who carry their fat in other areas of the body, according to the study published in the Journal of American College of Cardiology. Obesity assessed by waist-hip ratio and is a better predictor of CVD and CHD mortality than waist circumference, which in turn is a better predictor than BMI. Okay, the recognition of central body obesity is clinically important as lifestyle intervention is likely to provide significant health benefits. So this is how you can measure the body hip waist to hip ratio. This is baseline. The measuring point is narrowest point divided by the hips at the widest point. So we'll have waist to hip ratio. Okay. So answer for this will be abdominal area. So individuals increases the risk of developing coronary heart diseases when there is excess of weight in the abdominal area. So we'll move to our next question. That is question number 48, which is not a superficial sensation. Option A, pain. Option B, temperature. Option C, pressure. And option D, vibration. So in simple term, if you see this table, you will see superficial sensation. We have pain perception, temperature awareness, touch awareness, and pressure perception. And in deep sensation, we have kinesthesia awareness and vibration perception. So this table only we know vibration is not a superficial sensation. So answer will be option D. So still we'll just go through superficial sensation. That is, the term superficial sensation includes the modalities of light, touch, pain, temperature. These four are there in the superficial sensation. Always remember. So light touch, tactile sensation is feeling of touch which may be examined by touch of cotton hand, of hammer, paintbrush. Then superficial pain is a feeling of pain which can be tested with a corset pin or pinwheel. Then temperature sensation is feeling of cold or hot, which may be tested by the application of glass tube filled with ice 10 degrees C and hot 43 degrees C water. Okay, it will take two test tubes. One will fill cold ice at 10 degrees C and then hot 43 degrees C water, and then we'll just touch to the skin and we'll find out the temperature sensation. Okay, so we'll move to our next question. That is question number 49. Dysphagia is characterized by option A, slurred speech, option B, change in vocal quality, option C, difficulty in swallowing, and option D, none of these. So first we'll know what is dysphagia. The first and only indicate dysphagia means difficulty in swallowing may be perceived between mouth and stomach. Okay. So the answer is clear in the first one only. There is difficulty in swallowing. So answer for question number 49, that is dysphagia is characterized by difficulty in swallowing. Okay. So now similarly, dysphagia is defined as a condition in which an individual has had an interruption in either eating function or the maintenance of nutrition and hydration. Type of dysphagia, oropharyngeal dysphagia, esophageal dysphagia. Then oropharyngeal, difficulty in moving food from mouth to throat. It is two types: structural, obstructive, then neurological, propulsive. Esophageal, difficulty in moving food down the esophagus. It is the two type: structural and neurological. Then here is structure two part: internal obstruction, external obstruction. Okay. Then there are some clinical features: the difficulty in swallowing food or fluid, coughing, choking, unintentional weight loss, throat clearing, wet gurgling voice after eating, fever, chills, changes in breathing, pain while swallowing, heat burn, dehydration, acidification, and leakage of food, or saliva from mouth. So we'll move to our next question. That is question number 50. The Berg balance scale measures option A, static balance, option B, dynamic balance, option C, static and dynamic balance, and option D, none of the above. So first we'll see what is the Berg balance scale. The Berg balance scale is used to objectively determine a patient's ability to safely balance during the series of predetermined tasks. There will be predetermined tasks, and we'll see how much better the patients can balance themselves. It is a 14-item list with each item consists of 5-point ordinal scale ranging from 0 to 4, with a 0 indicating lowest level of concern and 4 the highest level. It takes 20 minutes to complete the test. It has total 6 static balance items and 8 dynamic balance. A score of 56 indicates functional balance, and score of less than 45 indicates there is greater risk of falling. So this line suggests it has 6 static balance and 8 dynamic balance, and you can see in the table, sitting balance, sitting unsupported, standing balance, standing unsupported, standing with eyes closed, standing with feet together, standing on one foot, turning to look behind, retrieving object from floor, tandem standing, reaching forward with an outstretched arm. Then in dynamic category, we have sitting to standing, standing to sitting, transfer, turning 360, and stool stepping. Okay, so as this line suggests, the answer for this question will be option C. The BERG balance scale measures static and dynamic balance. So here we will complete our fifth video. If you like our work, if you are enjoying it, and if you're learning something, do like the video, subscribe our channel, and share it among your friends. So thank you very much. See you all in our next video.